This is me, Joe, and welcome back to my channel! Thank you so much for subscribing in my channel. I really appreciate all your love and all your support, and I'm really so happy to share to you that today I'm officially a YouTube partner. And to my family. Thank you so much. Shout out to my sister, shout out to my brothers, and my friends who really helped me to reach the goal. Thank you so much for all your love and all your support to me. And I hope you still like and love my videos. I will be sharing more DIY decoration. And for today's series, I will try to share to you more of the home decoration that you can use or you can display or even you can give it as a gift for a friend or for your family. Now, for today's vlog, I will share and show to you how to create a fluid art painting. Just a disclaimer, I'm really not a good painter, not even good in drawing. However, I feel that I have this inner energy or artistic side of me that I can create one. So, I've tested it after watching a lot of videos online of how to do it, and I will share to you who is actually my inspiration of doing this kind of art. I find it so relaxing. I've created one just to feel how will it be, and this is actually the come out where I'm really so proud of. Where I'm so really proud of, and I like the colors, I like the mixing of white and pink. It really feels so relaxed as well as excited because you wouldn't know how well it looks like until you have this. So happy that I can able to share this to you guys, and I hope you will love it and do it at your home for decoration, and also you can have an idea to give it to your family or to your friend. We all know that this kind of masterpiece is very expensive online or even in the shops, and most people are trying to do paintings just to earn more money, and some, on the positive side, it helps you to be more creative, relax, calm, and patient. I hope you like it and do it at your home. I also want to help you guys to release all your stress and create your own masterpiece. Relax and be happy that even during this pandemic times, we have outlets to release this kind of negativities. So now I'm ready. Let's do this. For the materials, I have this canvas. This is 40 by 60 cm in size, and this bigger one is 50 by 60 cm in size. I chose to have this bigger size as I want this to give to a family friend, and as part of appreciation and love to them, I decided to create something for them as a gift and as part of appreciation and love to them here in UAE. This is really a small way to show gratitude to your friends or to your loved ones, giving a piece of it, just a remembrance and love and friendship. Also, aside from canvas, I have also colors, acrylic paint, over here, essentially, you need to have more of the white acrylic paint in order to mix colors, to make it balance, and to create some effects, mixing the colored ones and the white ones. Hope you will do it at home, and I love to see your creation. Thank you so much, and let's do this. To start with, so for the materials, you have the acrylic paints. I have blue, white, brown, a little bit of orange, and black. Canvas, white canvas. I have pins here to pin down the canvas. Tape, double-sided tape, scotch tape, masking tape will do. Blower to create some effects in the painting, as well as straw. Either you have the straw or the blower, just to have it on hand. If you don't have blower, then straw is fine. You will see different effects of a blower and a straw later on. So now we do the preparation for the canvas. So we put it one side, all the materials, okay, and then down on here, okay, we put some tapes, so we will not have any mess, we will not have excess paints over here. Now we will have the pin. Now we will have pin. So this is the first step. We turn it around. Okay, so you will see it will be a bit elevated. We started with colors. So for the primer, we have white, then we use the blower. Next is the blue color. Touches of brown. this is the effect if we use blower, like in a mass. They can blow sides and down, and you will see this kind of effect. Now I will be using a straw, so at least small details we can actually do some mixing of the colors. So this is the result of the fluid art painting, and as you've seen, I used blower and straw to clean up some of the edges and create some decoration to show the colors of each acrylic paint. So let it cool down for 24 hours, and then I will show you later the finished product. Thank you for watching! For this set, I did the same procedure, covering the back of the canvas and putting pins on the sides so it will be a bit elevated, and when we pour out the paint, it won't damage the art. For the acrylic paint, you need to dilute this with water. As much as possible, it's not so thick. The consistency is like a water. So, once you pour out in the canvas, it can flow easily. So first is to pour out the white. So now, prepare the blower. This is with white acrylic. Now, we will try to play around with the colors. Whew, wish me luck! So now, we will start to do the blow dry. And then, our magic straw to blow up those sides, like for this area, solid colors, that area. So we'll try to mix it with white, the other colors that you want to bring out. Eee! This is how it looks like. It's so colorful compared to the first one I did. And I've decided to mix the colors because I will give this to family who has 3 kids. Let it dry up for the next 24 hours. You will see that sides will keep flowing, so there will still be changes. Later we will come back to see the difference and we'll try to fix. Hi everyone! After 24 hours, the paint will dry up in your canvas and it's good to go and it's ready to deliver. We haven't shoot the first one, however, I will share photos of how it comes out, and we are ready to deliver the second artwork, which comes out like this. Tadaan! And we will go to that house right now and let's go! So now we will deliver the second artwork.